Shows that how you can fix problem in MS Word when picture not moving. First go to the insert, click on the picture and click on this device and select any picture. Now if I am trying to move it, it is not moving. So how you can move that? Select the picture and on the right side on the top menu bar you will see that picture format, and under the wrap text click on this and click the square, and now you can move the picture anywhere on the page. Even you can resize it and move anywhere on the page. Another way is that right click on that and this is the wrap text and you need to click on the square, and this is what you can easily rotate picture anywhere on the page. So I hope you understand and your problem will be fixed in MS Word when picture is not moving. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.